In the beginning of the times, supreme divinity created life in the universe. Light gave birth to angels, earth to men, and fire to the Jinn. Creatures condemned to dwell in the void between the worlds. One thing you must not do. Don't fall victim to the trickery of the Jinn. Devil, you gonna die tonight. Devils, you gonna die tonight. You gonna die tonight, yeah. Y'all gonna die before it's over. I think you better sit down and think about it one more time. Y'all gonna die, you gonna die tonight, yeah.
The smoke came up from the pit, like the smoke of a great furnace which was heated. In the 9th month on the 11th day in the year 2001, it was Revelation chapter 9 verse 11, the sun and the air were darkened by the smoke of the pit, and there is a king over them, the angel of the abyss, whose name in Hebrew is Avadu, and in Aramaic his name is Shara, this devil, or Satan, that deceives all the earth, who is the birth mother on this planet, the central core. As of 2023, the central core of this world has stopped. Why? The heart has died, the love has died throughout this world. Death rules completely now. It's almost time for the last trumpet to blow for an evacuation, because Nanasin, Balhadad, and his kind have just a short time before final judgment.
Oh, you spirits of the celestial spheres, the Jinn, spirits of chaos and destruction, you have come down and weakened the nations. But now it is time, for your judgment has come.
I ain't gonna give you reason to get the best of me. Won't open my gates to let in the bait. I'm not careless, I'm free.